Hello YouTube, part 5 of the Easy Atmospheric Outdoor Wood Boiler. Basically all I've done, I've added 2 ports. Up here, this is just a 1/2 inch NPT coupler. I chopped it in half, put a hole there. That is so during testing I can add a thermometer there. I bought 2 thermometers, but I'll probably only leave one in this when it's all said and done. So one will go down here in this already existing port, and which will probably be the one that I leave in, and then the other one I'll keep up here so I can get an idea of the temperature difference from the top side where my heat is building up the most to my bottom where my outlet is. And I've added the outlet. It snowed quite a bit here since I did this, but that's 1.25 inch pipe nipple coming out. I wanted to do a 1/2 coupler, but I couldn't find one made out of steel. I can only find malleable iron, which I prefer not to use that. So I got a steel nipple, chopped the threads off one end, and I put this in at a 15-degree angle. And that's probably not necessary, but I was using this existing gate valve that I already had 1.25 inches to try and save money, and the nipple was only 5 inches, so putting it at this angle left me a little over 4-inch clearance here in case I end up insulating this. Now I probably won't insulate it if it'll hold temp, but because this is only a temporary R&D boiler, but if I need to add insulation I might. So, but the other funny thing, once I put this valve on here, started piping on the inside, realized that I'm gonna have a use for this 1.25 inch valve for something else later. So I am gonna end up pulling this off and switching to a 1-inch valve, which the tubing, you can see I got a reducing bushing in there. The tubing will be 1 inch. I had to order it online. Now I won't be waiting the 2 to 3 weeks like I expected, but I'll still be waiting over a week on that. So this is about as far as I'm going on this. I still need to get the actual return piping figured out from the boiler down to the tubing, because I'll probably, you can't really see the ports now. It snowed about a foot yesterday, but pipe it so it comes down kind of somewhere near this probably, just because I'll be at my bare minimum amount of tubing, so I like to get it closer to the ground. So yeah, I've begun piping in the house. The parts that I need to do there, I got the circulator pump and all that. I am going to be piping this into some old baseboard radiators that I tore out when I pecked the place, and I'm going to set those up temporary in the basement and see how well they work. But I'll run direct to those, and then the plan, my inside boiler that's a permanent setup runs antifreeze. I don't want to run antifreeze through this system, being it'll be probably 300 gallons once I have a heat exchanger inside. So this will pipe in, I'll build a heat exchanger. But alright, thanks for watching.